Place your all-in-one hooper on a sturdy work surface. Secure the C-clamps to the front side of the base plate. The sleeve board support goes in the front center hole. When pushing down on the sleeve board, you will notice that the back side of the device will tip. To stop that from happening, on the back side of the device there is a screw hole, allowing you to put a screw and mount it into your tabletop. That will then stop the device from tipping forward. Once you have the back screw mounted, pull out the sleeve board onto the sleeve support, push down on it, and you will notice that it no longer rocks back and forth. It is now secure.